Hey everybody, Harry Brailsford, just on another one of my trips down to the San Jose airport, aka Silicon Valley, where there is a definite vibe. Couple of observations to share with you. I'm going to talk about community, but I also have to have a little bit of fun with you first. I am a small business owner in the SMB space, doing it every way, every day, just like you. And so I tend to favor Airbnb for my accommodations. And I just did some back of the napkin math and figure I'm saving over $5,000 a year by staying at an Airbnb. For example, here in Santa Clara, just past the airport, $70 a night, when the local hotel started at $140 a night before all the fees were tacked on. Do the simple math annually, that could save you upwards of $5,000+ if you're willing to kind of live the HBO Silicon Valley household lifestyle, which is also something I kind of enjoy, just grooving with people who host and typically are in the tech industry in one way, shape, or form. But the other thing I want to talk about is the state of the community. And I haven't talked about this in a while, but the natural maturity of the community. So none of us are getting any younger, and it plays out a couple of different ways. Bass Bits was the Bay Area group for MSPs and small business server partners. Went away several years ago. It just had a natural life cycle, and it just did. Now, as I reach out to some of those people to try and get together periodically when I'm in San Jose in the Silicon Valley, I'm finding life happen. One individual, his wife is getting cancer treatment, and it's just not possible for him to meet for a beer at night. Other individuals have gotten stuffed. They're involved in other travels, peer group meetings, and so when they have a free evening, it may or may not be the right fit to go out and have fun with Harry when they'd rather spend time with their family. So I get it. On the one hand, maybe we've lost a little bit of that excitement in our community from yesteryear of downloading drivers at 2 a.m. in the morning and babbling incessantly and rebooting. But on the other hand, it's a natural act. We're all aging. We're all more senior in our professionalism. And I think our intentions are good to stay in touch. It's just the way we stay in touch has changed. In fact, I might even argue text has kind of become the new user group. So, coming at you from the Silicon Valley, Harry Brailsford, SMB Nation, thanks for following us and being our friend. Bye-bye.